How to adjust colors and themes in Squarespace. So as of right now, the colors of our theme is mostly around brown and white and black or gray. So in order to adjust that, you can click onto this site styles or paintbrush icon and you can see in here the theme. So click on this theme right here and then you can change up the colors that will appear. For example, let's change it into this, and then once it's been chosen, it will be added as your theme. Now, this theme has a specific font as well as colors. So if you want to adjust that, like for example, let's remove right here the blue thing. So let's click on this arrow again, and then just click on this edit palette, and then just click on the color that you want change. For example, for this one, let's choose violet instead. And as it's right now, it's now been added and just now been updated. So that's how you adjust colors and themes in Squarespace. Would be helpful.